Hey, my Internet Troopers, my name is BuddyOGame, and welcome to Let's Play Factory Balls. Another game that I used to love playing while I was in elementary school in my spare time. So, this is from Bart Bonte, the guy who made the Me and the Key trilogy. So, I used to love playing this series a lot, Factory Balls. It's a great puzzle game, you know, it just sharpens your mind. You know, I don't know what else to say. All I can think of is sharpen your mind. So let's just get on to the gameplay then, shall we? All right, let's relive some old childhood memories. So, 14. Wait, there's only 14? 14 levels? Oh. Uh-oh. No music. I can fix that. Right. Where's the sound? Hold on, where's the audio? Smite. So, orange. There's the sound. Cover this. Yes. God, I used to love this game a lot. Oh, so many memories. Don't lag at me. Don't lag at me. Come on, cool math games, cooperate with me. A little bigger. Uh-oh. Now there's this. Blue? Hey! I guessed it. Wow. No. There it is. Easy. Ooh. So, if I remember this... So then I do that, and then, yeah. Genius. Smarts. I got them smarts in my brains. Oh my god, I can't believe I still remember this. I remember this too well. So let's see, ooh. So clear. Oh my god, I don't even have to commentate on this because it's so easy and I remember what I'm doing. Is that a glass bubble? We're already on level 9. Already on level 9. This is gonna be a short gameplay because it's already been 3 minutes. Oh wow. Alright, so kapoof, bloosh, floosh, floosh. Genius. Oh, it's getting more challenging. So let's see. Let's do that first. Pull out the ear. So if I can do that. That. Yes. Yes, sironies. Yes, sirisas. Boosh. Boosh. Kabloosh. Snooze, bloosh, ploosh, kabloose, blues, blues. Okay, so God, this is too cheap now. Boy. This is way too easy for me. Hopefully the next games are a lot harder because I like a real challenge. That's what I prefer. Okay. Alright, last one's gonna be pretty challenging. So you see, I do some extra balls there. So let's see. And there we go. That's it. We're done. Yeah, I know. It's only been like 5 minutes. Wow. Completed the whole game. So yeah, that was pretty good childhood memories. There are like 3 other games. So unlike Markiplier, he also makes like short gameplay videos as well. You know, back in like I'm gonna say 2016, maybe 15, 14. I don't know. Like he played short games, you know. Okay. Oh, I probably should have read that. Factory balls 2, 3, and 4. Yeah. Okay. All right. So, yeah, that was Factory Balls, and yeah, it was a lot of pretty good childhood memories there. So yeah, still saying stuff. Physics of balls through puzzles. Yeah, I know. Pretty good childhood memories there. Loved it. Very excited to play the next few games. I mean, this whole video is gonna take me like, I don't know, 10 minutes to edit the whole thing and like 20 minutes to get it uploaded because the internet's slow here. So yeah, I'm gonna have plenty of time to play the second game. Maybe I got time to play the third game because I don't know. There's obviously gonna be more levels in the other games. So right. Anyways, so thank you all so much for watching. Have an awesome day. I will see you all in the next video. Goodbye.
There's no place like home. Oh yeah, 'cause I can be anywhere in the whole wide world right now, but I wanna go there. But it's alright, it's okay. Home don't want me there anyway. Still wanna go there. Oh well, oh well, oh well. Oh well, gotta move along. Taking my steps, can't look back. Gotta keep going, gotta stay on track. Sometimes it hurts, sometimes I get sad.